Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. Cold morning. We have a little bit of dew and frost out there early today, but this is going to turn into just a beautiful afternoon. We won't have as much wind as yesterday. Still plenty of sun out there, and your high temperatures should come in within a degree or two of where we wound up yesterday afternoon, even though we're starting colder. But we should wind up in the mid to upper 60s today, which does put us a few degrees above average for the date. We do have high pressure continuing to build in here, so that puts us in a really good spot for the next few days. You can see some clouds behind the high. Those will start to build in likely tonight as well as tomorrow, but we should enjoy that sunshine all day today. Starting out, likely some frost here north of I-30. We're near freezing in DeQueen. Texarkana, Shreveport will likely be in the upper 30s once we get to sunrise today. And just watching for some fog. It looks like there is plenty of dew out there this morning, where the dew and those temperatures dropped to freezing. We could see just a little bit of ice out there on the windshields north of I-30. Shouldn't be a big issue for us this morning, and the winds have gone calm overnight. So after a fairly breezy day yesterday, did see a few wind gusts upwards of 20 miles per hour. Winds today only about 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the northeast, so we're still pulling in some of that dry air today, and your high temperatures do wind up in the mid to upper 60s. I believe we came in at 67 yesterday in Texarkana and Shreveport, made it to 68 degrees. So very similar afternoon temperatures today. We just won't be dealing with as much wind. So taking a look at Robinson at Futurecast, not much to see here today, as we'll keep those mostly sunny skies going, and we'll have a few clouds drift through tonight. Just the high level variety, so those won't do much to insulate us. Will be another cold night. I think temperatures will be close to 40 degrees in most areas, but everybody will be safely above freezing tonight, so you do not have to cover up the plants. And you can see the wide look at the region here. We have an area of low pressure that's over in Florida off the coastline there, and this is the one making news this week, bringing some of that heavy rain and flooding to Southern California. And we're just caught in between the two here with this ridge of high pressure, which will likely keep us dry through middle of the day Thursday, but late Thursday we may begin to pick up some of the rain from this system as it makes its way towards the Arctic. Now, as far as the rainfall projections, we're expecting maybe an inch of rain average Friday, Saturday into Sunday. Those will be your 3-day rainfall totals, but we are going to see some on and off rain through the weekend here. Of course, all the Mardi Gras parades going on this weekend. You can see the rain picking up late Friday. And what will happen, there'll be a warm front that stalls out fairly close to us, and we'll be on the warm side of that front, so you get the warm air, and we'll likely see some scattered showers and storms here through the day on Saturday. Again, as far as how this will affect the parade, we're just going to have to cross our fingers and hope that we don't tap into the steadier rain during the afternoon on Saturday when the Gemini parade rolls. And if you're headed out to the Highland parade in Shreveport on Sunday, you can see some scattered rain likely around on Sunday as well. Don't think either day is a washout. Remember last Saturday we had that steady rain for most of the morning. I don't see a situation like that this weekend. I think there will be, again, some passing showers and storms here that we'll have to monitor, but definitely pack the rain gear again if you're headed out to the parades this weekend. And it looks like the rain probably tapering off at some point on Monday. We'll actually get on the colder side of the system on Monday with the cooler air coming down, but until then, we'll stay in the 60s and 70s through the weekend, and we will cool down early next week.